Hi all. In this video, I'm going to start with our third session for bank project. Sample uh, Salesforce project, bank project. Okay, I'm going to start with that. So last time when we have worked on this project in the second video, I have completed till the 16th point. Now we are left with 6 more points, which I'm going to cover in this video. 17 point. Loan table should include the details necessary for the loan like tenure, rate of interest, number of installments, etc. So let's open the design we made. Okay, we had this diagram. I'll take care of continue with the usage of that one. So right now we have to work on loan table. So loan table is loan detail page. We don't have detail page created. I'm going to create a loan detail page here. Okay, so we got the loan detail. Then similarly, in the loan detail page, we have to now think about what and all we should be displaying, like tenure, rate of interest, number of installments. So we will be having loan amount, we'll be having tenure. These are the fields we are going to be displaying on the loan detail page, and rate of interest. Then the simple interest, then the number of installments, then the total payable amount. Okay, these are all the fields I need to prepare on the loan detail page. So I will just make those fields very fast. Loan amount, it's a currency field. Okay, then tenure will be number of years, that is number. Power is the percent or is a 10, and it only adds the percentage sign to the number. Rate of interest, it's a percent field. Then we have simple interest. Simple interest. We are going to have a formula for the same. Next, simple interest. It will return a currency. So we can insert principal, loan amount, star, tenure, rate of interest, star, tenure. Let's try this one. If we go to the bank page, here we have the bank account, here we have the loan details. I'm going to create a new loan detail. Okay, Chetan Gowda, loan amount 1 lakh, tenure 5 years, rate of interest 5, save, find 5, 25, 25 lakhs divided by 100, 25,000. So we are getting correct simple interest. Now we want number of installments. So let us say we have 5 years of tenure. So how many installments we need to pay? So 5 into 12 months. So it will be 60. So that will also be one of the formula field. Then the next field is total payable amount. So let us say that we have 25,000 is the total interest we need to pay, and total loan amount is 1 lakh. So what will be the total amount paid by the person who is taking the loan? That will be a sum of this one and this one. So what we can do, we can go and create a formula field and add those two. Okay, now let's read the uh, like loan tenure, rate of interest, number of installments, etc. Loan details should store the data for a particular loan on an account, junction object, and also we'll validate all the fields required on every object. Okay, so wherever it is required, we have made it mandatory, but let's double check on that thing. So if we see here, the total payable amount will be 1,25,000. So when we go and create a new loan detail, uh, loan amount, tenure, rate of interest, all are mandatory fields. All should be mandatory fields. So let's make loan amount mandatory. Always require a value on this one. Similarly, the rate of interest, and then tenure. Okay, so that until here it's covered now. Then 20, display remaining amount, remaining number of installments at loan detail record using related loan records. Formula use interest rate, payable amount, tenure. So display remaining amount, remaining number of installments at loan detail using related loan records. So let us create a field that will capture the number of paid installments. Number of installments paid. Okay, then we want to show remaining number of installments. Okay, so that will be a formula field, because right now we have total number of installments as well as remain how many installments they have paid. It's a number type. Decimal is 0. Next, I'll be inserting total installments minus paid installments. And one more, display remaining amount. Okay, so how can we calculate the remaining amount? Formula, total payable amount minus remaining installments into EMI. So we should calculate the EMI as well, right? Uh, EMI will be, I'll create one more formula field. Okay, next. Per month will be currency data type. Next, it will be total payable amount divided by number of installments. Then the remaining amount will be a formula field. This can be calculated using total payable remaining installments into EMI per month. Let's verify these things in the UI. I'm going to create a new loan detail. Loan amount 2 lakh, tenure 5 years, rate of interest 10%. The number of installments paid, let's say that He has paid for 5 installments. Okay, now we are going to see all the calculated fields here. Okay, 2 lakh into 5 into 10 is 20 lakh into 5, 1 crore divided by 100. 100 means 10 lakh, 1 lakh. So we need to pay 1 lakh simple interest. Total installments will be 5 into 12, it will be 60. Total payable amount will be 3 lakh because we will be having 1 lakh, 2 lakh is the loan amount, 1 lakh is the interest. That will be totally 3 lakh he need to pay. Number of installments paid, like let's say that he has paid for 5 installments, then EMI per, like what is the EMI per month? So this will be total payable amount divided by number of installments. So if we divide this 5,000 per month, then remaining amount is total payable amount minus, right now we have paid till now 5 5 into 5, 25,000. So 3 lakh minus 25,000 is 2 lakh 75,000. So this point covers ours all the required things till point 20. Balance field on the account must be calculated using the related transaction records. So we have bank account. If we open any bank account, okay, right now here we are not displaying the net balance of the account. I'm going to create a field on this showing the net balance of the account. Its return type will be formula, currency. We have to first initial deposit. We have to insert. Then we have to do sum of deposit minus sum of withdrawals. I hope this simple formula maybe you can understand easily. Next, next, save. So now I'm going to check my bank account. So if we go to the bank account now and that's hard empty cache and hard reload. Yeah, net balance 9,50,000 because initial deposit is 10 lakhs. Then the sum of deposit is 40,000, 10 lakh 40,000. Then 90,000 is withdrawn. Okay, so that's why we got 9,50,000 as the net balance. The balance in account should not be less than minimum balance as described above. We have to put a validation rule. Let's say that right now 9,50,000 is a net balance. But if I do a transaction of 10 lakhs again of withdrawing, if I withdraw 10 lakhs, then the net balance will go in the negative. So this should not happen because one cannot, if we have in a real-time scenario, if we have a account in bank account, we cannot withdraw the money more than whatever we have in there. So, and even right now we have to put a validation that the balance should not go below the that daily withdrawal. Sorry, minimum. Let's say that for a savings account, 10,000 is mandatory. For other accounts, it's different. That's why. Uh, Let me check that field. Minimum balance. Let's create a formula field. Minimum balance. Right now, you people may be knowing that we have so many. We have to maintain minimum 10,000 rupees in bank account, or else we will be penalized. We have to pay fines in the for the bank account. So what I can do is I can put a if condition here. In the logical test, I will use the is equal. In that one, first I'll pass the field. Where is the account type? Account type is savings account. If true, again I will check if condition here. Value if true, it is 10,000. Value if false, I will insert a if condition. This time account type, instead of sorry, if of is equal of this one. So I will copy from here. Is account type is current account. Then value of true is 25,000. Value of false is 2,500. Okay, so this one will give us values for minimum balance. We can check it here. So 10,000 minimum balance because account type is savings account. Let's convert it to current account. For current account 25,000. Then let's say for savings minor account. For savings minor account it is 2,500. Then now we can go ahead and create validation rule. The minimum balance should not be less than minimum balance, the balance in account. I'll go and create a bank account validation rule. If net balance is less than or equal to, sorry, if just it goes less than the minimum balance, then I will show up error that uh, transaction amount is more than the account and balance. So I can verify this. Uh, this guy is having initial deposit, total current account, sum of deposit, derivative element, total the net balance 30,000. Okay, let us say this is savings current account. Let's say this is just a savings account and 10,000 is the minimum balance he has to maintain. Now, if we try to 30,000 is the net balance, 10,000 should maintain. So only 20,000 we can withdraw. Let us try making a transaction more than 20,000 withdrawal. withdraw 25,000, save. Now we will get the error that transaction amount is more than the account balance. Even we can try again. We can try 3,000. 3,000 can be withdrawn easily, and his net balance is 27,000. Now, if I make one more transaction of 30,000, then it will not allow. Okay. So yeah, we have covered the points till 22, and the journey through this complete assignment was a very good journey because we understood most of the concepts of the admin, even though it covers around 50% of the admin topics, but it's give us a good confidence to go ahead with learning more and more, and even we feel a good feeling when we complete this particular project, mini project. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please do tell in the comment box if there are any changes I need to make, or you guys want some changes in the teaching method. So I will be calculating all those changes. Um, Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to teach you guys. Thank you. Bye.